Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find someone location by phone number. So first of all, you have to make sure that you install Truecaller. You can just do it from the Google Play Store here, right? Just go to the search bar and here write for Truecaller. And Truecaller would most of the time it will show you your location or basically the phone number location, right? So let me show you. For example, I just go to Truecaller here, right? And open it up and you can just start doing it. And I will show you one more website. Here you have to just go to Google Chrome and here just type here reverse phone lookup. Once you do this, you will find this a lot of website here. Now once you do this, for example, here most of the time you will get this. Make sure you just go to the Truecaller option. So go to the Truecaller option. Now here you have to enter the phone number of the person who you want the location. So make sure you paste it here and search for it, and it will show you some of the location. This is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.